Long upper shadow. Now it looks like something like this. Now we will also discuss it on chart, so you will be like understanding it really well. But a long upper shadow is a red or a green candlestick with a long upper shadow. So don't get confused if you see a green candle. Right here I'm showing a red or a black candle, but don't get confused with it. It could be of any color. What matters is the upper shadow. The upper shadow has a length of 2 or 3 or more times of the total body of the current candlestick. So you need to look at the total body and the length of the upper shadow to understand what it means. This pattern is normally considered a bearish signal as and when it appears on resistance level. Let's presume it is on a resistance level on the high and it falls from that level. So it shows that the resistance is really strong and someone's like sold it in huge quantities, that all the buying was absorbed and the price closed even further lower. Because if it opened and made such a high candle, such a high shadow, it meant that someone was buying. But the sellers were so powerful, they were putting in so much supply that the candlestick couldn't hold. And this gives you an idea that okay, there is something going on. It's a bearish signal. And after this candle, you can pick the other candles to understand how strong is the bearish trend. Now we will look at long upper shadow on chart so that you can understand how in real market it looks like. Long upper shadow. Now this is an important sign because it is exactly similar to shooting star. Now it is a extremely bearish pattern. If it happens near a resistance, example, look at this one. No, this is not the correct one. Wait, this one. This is the resistance. This high of this green candle is 127.13 and this high of this red candle is 127.10. If you look at it, the red candle, the body is of 10 cents, but the high is of 80 cents. That's 8 times the high of the body. Number one. Number two, let me see. Yeah, right here. It's 129.58 open and the high is 130.58, a dollar high. But the close is 129.36, so it's only 20 cents. So it's a 5 times the wick or the shadow is 5 times of what the body size is. And it is on the resistance, because if you look at it here, the previous high is 130.94 and the high of this candle is 130.58. So it has, if it has risen to 130.58, it could have crossed it right here. Again, it's exact. So to sum it up, first thing is the high point. The wick or shadow should be 2 or 3 times or higher of what the body size of the candle is. Number one. Number two, if it appears on a resistance level, then it is a long upper shadow and it is an extremely bearish sign. And if you look at it, the next day it opened lower and went lower, although it went higher after that because a big a big white candle appeared. But the point is, from this candle you could have known that the next day it will be lower, and from this candle you would have known that next candle was lower, and here it even went far lower because there was no big green candle. Right here it was. So this is a really learning sign. Thank you.